Are you looking for the easiest way to make authentic dashi at home? Dashi pack is the best item for you. This small packet contains many kinds of dashi ingredients, for example dried bonito, dried sardine, dried kombu, and so on. Once you make this amazing soup stock from the packet, you can easily start making various authentic Japanese food at home. All you need is a pot and water, so let's make soup stock with dashi pack. First of all, please check the package of the dashi pack to check the amount of water you need for a pack of dashi. Put the prescribed water in a pot. Soak the dashi pack. Bring to a boil over high heat. When it boils, reduce the heat to low. Boil on low heat for about 5 minutes. Then take out the pack. Ready to use. Next, I will show you how to use this dashi in cooking. First, miso soup. Soak 1 tablespoon wakame seaweed in hot water and rehydrate it. You can do this in water too, but the unique smell can be removed well by using boiling water. Drain the hot water and wash the wakame well. Put the dashi soup stock in a pot and bring to a boil over high heat. When it boils, add wakame seaweed and diced tofu. Simmer on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat, add 2 tablespoons miso and dissolve well using a whisk. Sprinkle minced green onion as you like. Ready to eat! It's completely different from miso soup made from dashi granules. You can feel amazing flavor of dashi and its delicate taste. It's like a miso soup that comes out at ryokan, traditional Japanese inn. The second recipe is deep fried tofu with starchy sauce, Agedashi-dofu. Cut the tofu into 6 equal parts and wrap it in paper towel. You don't have to drain too much. Before making the deep fried tofu, please prepare the sauce and toppings. Finely chop the green onions, grate daikon, next let's make the starchy sauce. Put dashi soup stock and mirin in a pot. When it boils, add soy sauce. Stir well. Mix 1 teaspoon potato starch with 1 teaspoon water and pour into the pot. Boil for a few minutes until the sauce becomes thick. Please make sure to keep stirring with a spatula. Next, let's make the deep fried tofu. Mix flour and potato starch at a ratio of 1:1 in advance. Cover the tofu that has been drained with the mixture of flour and potato starch. Fry in oil until the tofu surface is golden brown. It takes about 3 minutes on each side of the tofu. Dish up fried tofu and pour thick sauce on top. Put grated daikon and green onion as you like. Ready to eat! The outside is crispy and the inside is fluffy. Savory fried tofu matches super well with the delicious sauce made with the amazing dashi. The third recipe is Japanese mixed rice, Takikomi-gohan. First of all, let's prepare vegetables and chicken. The shape is free, but let's cut it as thin as possible so that they can be cooked quickly. I used the standard ingredients for Japanese mixed rice, like carrot, butternut, and thin fried tofu. If you can't find them or don't like them, feel free to change the ingredients. Next, I cut chicken. You can also use your favorite meat. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the meat. When the ingredients are ready, wash rice and drain the water. Let's season the rice before cooking it. 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon mirin, 4 tablespoons water. Make sure the total amount of liquid is a little less than rice cooker's indication line of 1 go. Put vegetables in a dashi pack. Ingredients that take a long time to cook should be put underneath, like carrot and butternut. Cook just like regular rice. When it's cooked, take out the dashi pack. Then mix the rice well. If you can get some edamame, boil it and add a few grains, so the color of the dish will also be very good. Ready to eat! This is the best mixed rice ever. The rice and ingredients soak the umami taste of the dashi pack well. You can put any ingredient you like. The last recipe is meat and potatoes, nikujaga. First of all, let's cut the vegetables and meat. Cut onion, carrot, potato, and pork into bite-sized. You can use beef instead. Let's prepare the seasoning. 1 cup dashi soup stock, 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix well. Put the soup in a pan. When it boils, add all of the vegetables. Bring to a boil again and add the meat. While boiling lightly, skim off the scum. After removing most of the scum, cover with aluminum foil. Crumple up the piece of aluminum foil, unfold and make a small hole in the center. Drop it directly on the food to cover it entirely. By doing this, the taste soaks in a short time. If you don't have aluminum foil, cover it with a lid. Simmer for about 10 minutes over low heat. Another good thing about aluminum foil is it can catch the remaining scum. Complete it when the broth is slightly reduced. If you turn off the heat and leave it for a while until you eat it, the taste is sucked into the ingredients even more and it becomes really delicious. Ready to eat! By using dashi pack for the seasoning, it can create a deep umami taste. The sauce is soaked in well and unbelievably delicious.